Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question here is given x minus 1 by x equals to root 3 where x not equals to 0. Our first question proves that x square minus root 3x equals to 1. This math we have to get help from given part. It means answer given x equal minus 1 by x equals to root 3. Now we can make LCM, so x here is x square minus 1 equals to root 3. So x square minus 1 equals to root 3x. Just cross multiplication. So x square minus root 3x equals to plus 1. We just transfer left side to right side and right side to left side. Now look, prove that x square minus root 3x equals to 1. We already get this one, so it's proven. Okay, the first question answer done. Second one, this one is first. Second one, second question, prove that 23 times x square plus 1 by x square equals to 5 times x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So here is also we need to help from given. So first step, we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square, right? Look, we know about a square plus b square. It means a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So this one also here is plus and outside minus. So here our given x minus 1 by x. So we can write this one x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 times x times 1 by x, as like a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So this x and this x divide, it means 1 and out. So x minus 1 by x, the value which is root 3. So root 3 square plus 2. So root 3 square means 3 plus 2, the value is 5. So we can say, so here is 23. Right, 23 x square plus 1 by x square, which is 23 times x square plus 1 by x square, we just get 5. So 5 times 3 is a 15, 5 carry 1, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So in left hand side we get 115. Now right hand side here is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. We have to find out the value now. This one we done second step, right? Now third step, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This one we know, we can write here x square whole square plus x square square. So this one we can write x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 x square times 1 by x square. So this x square out. Now this one we already get the value, which is what? X square plus 1 by x square. Here we get 5, right? So this one is 5 square minus 2. It means 5 square means 25 minus 2, it will be 23. Okay, so here is 5, right? 5 x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 5 times 23. So this one also same thing, 5 times 3 is a 15, 5 times 2 is a 10, and plus 1 it will be 115. So same thing we are get. So this one is right side. So left side equals to right side. Proved. Okay, done. So number 2 done. Now number 3. Number 3, here is x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. Look, in given we get x minus 1 by x equals to root 3, and number 2, once we try to solve, that time we get x square plus 1 by x square equals to 5. It means just few moments ago we find the value of what? X square plus 1 by x square, which is 5. Now here is x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. So x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. This one we can elaborate like x square to the power 3 plus 1 by x square to the power 3. So we know about the rule a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So similar thing we can keep here, a plus b, this one is a and this one is b. So we can write x square plus 1 by x square whole cube minus 3ab, 3 times a means what? X square, and b means 1 by x square times a plus b, it means x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so x square and x square out. X square plus 1 by x square, we already know the value, which is 5. 5 cube minus 3 times, and this one also 5. So we know 5 cube means 125 minus 15. So what is the value? 125 minus 15, it means 110, and this is our answer. So very easily we are solve all the math. So today's video is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially level 10. It means IGCSE, O level, CBCSE and SSC. So around the world this kinds of math is very important, so don't neglect this. Try to make practice at home more and more, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel Home of Math. Thank you.